Hi, guys. Welcome back to Upkeeker channel. If you'd like to move contacts from one iPhone to another, but your iCloud is running out of storage, then this video is what you need. To quickly get contacts from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud, try the built-in feature AirDrop first. Make sure you've enabled AirDrop on both devices, and place them near each other. On the source iPhone, choose the contacts you want to transfer. Under the phone number, you can see option to share contact. Tap it. Then choose AirDrop, which will show you all the available users nearby. Select your target iPhone. Then on the other iPhone, you'll be informed that someone wants to share files with you. Tap Accept. And the contact info will be saved on this iPhone now. However, AirDrop may not work well if you want to transfer the contacts altogether. In that case, you may want to try the phone transfer tool to move contacts between iPhones. First, get phone transfer on your computer. You can simply click the download link below this video. Launch it. Click Phone Transfer. Then Phone to Phone. Second, plug the source iPhone into computer. And then the target device. After that, it will scan the source phone and display all the available data on the screen. Check the contacts and anything else you want. And click the Start button. All your iPhone contacts will be sent to the target device in a few seconds. Using phone transfer, you can move contacts from one iPhone to another quickly. No need to worry about the storage limit of iCloud. If you've iTunes on your computer, then you can also use it to sync contacts between iPhone and iPhone. Run iTunes first. Plug the source iPhone first. If asked, let your phone trust this computer. Hit the phone icon from the option bar at the top. From the left side, select Info. Check the Sync Contacts box. Click Apply to start syncing contacts with your computer. It may take several minutes. Once done, unplug the device, and connect the other iPhone. Now, repeat the options again. But this time, when you select Sync Contacts, scroll down, in the Advanced box, you'll find Replace Information on this iPhone. Now, choose Contacts. And then click Apply to let it put the synced contacts from computer to the target phone. Don't disconnect your phone before it finishes. And you can access the contact info on the new iPhone later. Okay, today we've talked about 3 quick methods to transfer contacts from iPhone to iPhone without iCloud. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe for more helpful tips.